Examining distributions. When we examine distribution, we will work with pieces of information about individuals organized into variables. That is the definition of data. The individual is a particular person or the object or animal. This is our study subject. Particular characteristic of the individuals that tell something about the individuals is called the variable. And the set of data identified with particular circumstances is called the data set. So for example, if we have a simple data set that lists the name of the student in the class, their gender, their age, their height, and so on. Now, in the name column, we list the individuals, student A, student B, student C. These are the individuals. And then the gender, male, female, binary, and so on. The age, the height. These columns, gender, age, height, are called the variable columns because they describe the variable. They vary. So for example, the gender would vary depending on who the individual we're talking about. The variables are classified as either categorical or quantitative variable. The gender would list the group, and so it is called the categorical variable. The age and the height are the numerical values. They are called the quantitative variable. Now, just because the variable consists of numerical value doesn't mean that it is automatically quantitative variable. It is only the quantitative variable if the arithmetic makes sense. So for example, the zip code, we can't just average the two zip codes. That number doesn't make any sense. And so the zip code, even though it is a numerical value, it is a categorical variable, same as the area code. And so a categorical variable take category or label values and place an individual into one of several groups. His observation can be placed in only one category, and the categories are mutually exclusive. And so, for example, for the county you lived in, it is a categorical variable. Either you live in San Francisco or not in San Francisco. The categories are mutually exclusive. The quantitative variable take numerical values and represent some kind of measurement. And again, a quick check to see if the numerical value is a quantitative variable is to perform some sort of arithmetic such as the average to see if that number makes any sense at all.